Even though it's an overcast day, it's still nice.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
It's really nice. What fascinates me the most, everyone, is the trees. They're so old, fallen. Now, a few years ago, this river was actually up to the levee banks and up where the trees are too. That was a while ago, wasn't it?
Yeah, 3 or 4 years ago now.
Yeah.
Without actual floods. Oh, it's in Darwin. That's on the main road. And then Murray River's just a little bit further down.
Oh, okay. I'm actually enjoying this. This is really relaxing. It's just beautiful, everyone. If you ever come out this way, I totally recommend you to do a trip like this. I think this cruise goes for an hour, maybe 50 minutes depending. So we're actually going to come around to a bend, so very soon we're going to start turning. It's beautiful. We're actually heading back into Chico now. Alright everyone, catch you all later. Bye.